when you release your music, right, and your music is out there, all the sound, all the copyrights that's embedded in your song are going to be paid for by the DSPs.
Ronkay brings you the knowledge.
Welcome to another episode of Tea with Ronkay, and this is where I'm going to be giving you the nitty-gritty of the music business. All right, so stay tuned. I'm still your boy, Ronkay. Yeah, today I'm going to be talking about music copyright and how it applies to your music distribution. I'm not sure whether I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again. All right, there are two types of copyright that's embedded in the recorded music. Now, the first one is the song copyright, which is basically you as a songwriter, you have the lyrics, you have the melody, you've written out the song, right? There is a copyright for that, even before it's even recorded. It's called song copyright. Some people call it publishing copyright. There are so many other names for it, right? Because you can exploit that copyright using a publisher, all right? So, or you can do it yourself. But there is another form of copyright that is in the recorded music, which means the artist has gone to the studio and has recorded a song with the beats and everything. Now, that one is called sound recording copyright. Those are the two types of copyrights. When you release your music, right, and your music is out there, all the sound, all the copyrights that's embedded in your song are going to be paid for by the DSPs. However, the money you get from your music distributor is not all that is paid for, because your music distributor cannot get your performance rights or performance royalties that is on for the song. Your music distributor is not going to get your mechanical rights that is embedded in the song, or the mechanical royalties that is paid by the DSP. They're not going to go to your music distributor. So all the money you get from your music distributor is not all that you need to get. This is where a lot of people don't know. This is what a lot of people don't know. That the money you get from your music distributor is not all that you are supposed to get for your music that you have released. So imagine you are the artist, you are also the songwriter, and you are only relying on the money you get from your music distributor as all that you're supposed to get for your music that you've released. However, as a songwriter, if you have registered with the Mechanical Rights Organization, or you have registered with the Performance Rights Organization, these other monies that have been paid on your song, you'll be able to get it and recoup it. So if you are making 0.004 on Spotify as the owner of the song, of the sound recording copyrights, then as a songwriter, there is still some monies on your song that was paid by Spotify to the Mechanical Rights Organization on your behalf. You see, when you get on our platform, there's a place that you call participants, where you're supposed to register the songwriters, the producers, and stuff like that. That is where those things come into play, because all these information are relayed to the DSPs, and they will look at, okay, the songwriter for this song is, for example, let's use Wizkid for example. Wizkid is the artist, and he wrote a song called Essence, for example, just for the sake of analogy, right? And his name that's going to be written as a songwriter is Ayo Balogun, right? So Spotify is going to send the mechanical parts of its royalties for Essence to a mechanical rights organization like Ari Fox agency. So if Ayo Balogun is a member of Ari Fox agency, the mechanical part of the royalties that was not sent to its music distributor will be sent to Ari Fox agency. And then Ayo Balogun can recoup part of that mechanical right through Arifox agency. If Ayo Balogun is a member of ASCAP or BMI, which are performance rights organizations, the performance part of the royalties will be sent to ASCAP or BMI for Ayo Balogun. So, which means if Ayo Balogun has a music distributor, is registered with Arifox agency for mechanical rights, is registered with ASCAP or BMI for performance rights, then Ayo Balogun can collect all the monies that are accrued to his songs being distributed or being played on any of the DSPs. So this is very important for you artists. Don't think all the money you get from your distributor is all you need to get. No, there are some other monies that you are supposed to get that you have not been getting. Now is the time for you to get all of your money. Don't miss out, you know. Well, we have a performance rights organization in Nigeria and also mechanical rights organization, but their effectiveness, I can't really talk about it. So I wouldn't want to talk about that because I'm not really very sure of their reach and how they're able to get performance rights organization. How they're able to get the performance rights royalties and mechanical rights royalties. But I know that even as a Nigerian, you can be a member, you can register with Arifox agency for your mechanicals, and you can register with ASCAP or BMI as a songwriter for your performance rights and performance royalties. So that's what I know. So please don't forget, there are a lot of monies out for you that you have not been making. This time for you to make it. Ronkay says so, you know. When you're drinking with your Ronkay, you get to learn a lot of new things, you know. So this is a new thing for you. All right. So either subscribe, like, share, and follow, and let's get to know each other. All right. Bye.